Hey guys, we're at Biggs Harley Davidson, and today we're looking at a 2015 Harley-Davidson Dyna Fat Bob in vivid black. A lot of cool little details done on this bike. Tons of the Willie G skulls. We have them on the axle caps, front and rear. The rider pegs, shift lever, both grips, brake pedal. We have them on the passenger pegs as well. And the derby cover. We have a really comfortable 2-up seat and the Screamin' Eagle exhaust. A couple more of those Willie G skulls for you. And of course we're running that 103 cubic inch engine. We also have engine guards on the front. We run on a fob, so we are keyless. And miles are only 4,733. Again, we are at Biggs Harley Davidson. We're located in San Marcos, California, and we are open for test rides 6 days a week.